To find the GCF, which is known as the greatest common factor, we want to find the biggest number that can divide into all these three numbers without a decimal. And to do that, I like to use the method known as the opposite down kick method, which simply just help me list all the numbers that can divide into those three numbers. And then at the end, I'm going to multiply all those numbers to help me find the greatest common factor. So as you can see, these three numbers are all even. So I know that 2 would definitely go in there evenly. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. And then half of 72, we know is 36. And then half of 120 is 60. And then from here, I can break down those three numbers even more. You can either use 2 again, you can use 4 again, or you can use 6 again. It doesn't really matter. You're going to get the same answer at the end. So this time, I'm going to use 4 instead. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. 36 divided by 4 is 9. And then 60 divided by 4 is 15. And I can break down 6, 9, and 15 by 3. So now we have 2. 3 times 3 is 9, and then 3 times 5 is 15. And I can't break down 2, 3, and 5 anymore. So to find the greatest common factor, all you have to do is take those numbers which is outside the cake, 2, 4, and 3, just on the side, multiply those three numbers. So we have 2 times 4 times 3. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So therefore, the greatest common factor for this problem is going to be 24. And I can do the same thing for the next problem using the opposite down kick method again. So again, start with a number that you know can go into those two numbers evenly. So since both numbers end with 0, I know 10 will go into there evenly. So 10 can go into 2,520 252 times. And then next one, it will be 396. So again, since both numbers are even, so I know I can divide both of those numbers by 2 evenly. So half of 252 is 126, and half of 396 is 198. So again, both of them are even number again, so I can divide that by 2 again. So half of 126 is going to be 63, and half of 198 is 99. And now both numbers are odd numbers, and I know that I can use 3 to break those two numbers down. So 63 divided by 3 will be 21, and then 99 divided by 3 is 33. And I can break down 21 and 33 again by 3. So 3 times 7 is 21, and then 3 times 11 is 33. And I can't break down 7 and 11 anymore. So now, to find the greatest common factor, you simply multiply all the numbers beside the cake. So 10 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Multiply all those numbers. So 10 times 2 is 20, times 2 is 40, times 3 is 120, and then times 3 again. So my GCF is 360.